Sound check. Yeah, sound check. That's mic 1, 2. Sound check, sound check. Okay, good day. Habang hindi pa rinig, meron na ba? Okay, good day to all. Clear na siya. Good day. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat sa mga taga-Pilipinas. Let's just continue our review for the Master Plumber Board Exam. Good day. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat sa mga taga-Pilipinas. Let's just continue our review for the Master Plumber Board Exam. Echo. Sound check. Okay. Yan. Before we proceed, please subscribe to this MCGI channel and UNTV News and Rescue. And the Green Friend Forever for environmental planning review. No? Tuloy na po natin ang ating for engineering and architectural services, no? Design, planning, design services yan. Guys, engineering consultancy, you can PM here, no? Or email in brice.academy.consultancy @gmail.com. Okay. Topic for today is sanitation, plumbing, design, and installation, 176 to 200. Continuation of the refresher course. Okay, tuloy natin ang 176. May tumatawag. Teka lang. May tumatawag. Hindi natin masasagot yan. Sorry. Hindi natin sagutin yan. Buti na lang hindi ako naka-FB. The handicap pictures are usually designed for people with less physical ability than the general public. For the handicap, what is the prescribed height of the toilet bowl? The answer is A, 450 mm, B, 100 mm, C, 500 mm, D, 600 mm. The answer is A, 450 mm. 177. The difference between a tube and a pipe is that the tube has relatively thin wall and what? Blank. A is right edge, B, the listed correspond to the outside diameter. The relatively square edge, the listed size correspond to the inside diameter. Answer is B, the listed or the tube. The listed size correspond to the outside diameter. Yan, outside diameter yan. The difference between a tube and a pipe is that the tube has relatively thin wall and correspond to the outside diameter. So, yung listed yung sinasabing tube. 178. What is the important advantage of chlorine compared to other water supply treatment? A, growth. Control the growth of algae. B, effective in the coagulation process. C, control the odor and kills bacteria. Answer is D, kills bacteria. Ano pa ba? Sorry, alisin ko lang muna yung ensure ko muna na wala nang istorbo. Okay, next one is 179. What is the prescribed distance of vent from trap seal in plumbing installation? A, 1.5 meter, B, 6.6 meter, C, 2 meters, D, 1 meter. Answer is A, 1.5 meter. What is the prescribed distance of vent from trap seal in plumbing installation? The answer is 1.5 meter. Medyo fast-track tayo, no? 180. What is that vent pipe system on plumbing which liquid waste flow through? A, wet vent, B, yoke vent, C, stock vent, D, back vent. Answer is wet vent. What is that pipe system on plumbing which liquid waste flow through? The answer is wet vent. 181. Classification of water when it contains dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium. A. Soft. B. Hard. C. Balanced. D. Neutral. The answer is V. Hard. The classification of water when it contains dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium. The answer is B. Hard. (182) What is that bent pipe in plumbing that serves the building drain and the building sewer? A. BSTR. B. SBTR. C. Yoke vent. D. Relief vent. The answer is A. BSTR. What is that vent? The vent in plumbing that serves the building drain and the building sewer is BSTR. 183. What is that receptacle attached to the plumbing system other than trap or on which water or waste may be collected or retained for ultimate discharge into the drainage? A. Catch basin. B. Manhole. C. Fixture. D. Drain. The answer is fixture. What is the receptacle attached to the plumbing system other than on which water or waste may be collected or retained for ultimate discharge into the drainage is fixture. The answer is fixture. 184. How is water hardness measured? A. Ounce of hardness. B. Grains per gallon. B. C. Parts per million. D. Soap suds. Answer is A. Ounce of hardness. Ounce. The water hardness is measured in ounce of hardness. 185. What is the pipe connection in which a ball is held in a cup-like that allows movement in every direction? A. Universal joint. B. Uniform pattern. C. Ball joint. C. Cock joint. The answer is C. Ball joint. Ball joint is the pipe connection in which ball is held in a cup-like that allows movement in every direction. 186. What do you call the process of removing the hardness causing minerals from water? Naku, hindi na yung sagot. The answer is water softening. No? Hindi ko na ulitin yan. Hindi ko na maglagay. The answer is water softening. 187. Plumbing, the unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere between faucets supplying water and the flood level rim of a fixture is called plunk. A. Air gap. B. Airline. C. Flashing lane. D. Gooseneck. The answer is A. Air gap. In plumbing, an obstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere between faucet supplying water and the flood level rim of fixture is called air gap. 188. What is the minimum capacity of water tank needed for complete water closet flushing in a toilet? A. 19 liters. B. 26 liters. C. 15 liters. D. 12 liters. The answer is D. 12 liters. 12 liters is the minimum capacity of the water tank needed for a complete water closet flushing in a toilet. 12 liters. 189. What is the vertical distance between the dip and the crown weir of the trap? A. Trap seal. B. Crown air. C. Leader. D. Bleeder. The answer is A. Trap seal. Trap seal is the vertical distance between the dip and crown weir of the trap. Trap seal. 90. What is the fittings installed in flamming system to prevent passage of air, gas, and some vermin through the pipe? A. Traps. B. Check valve. C. Floor drain. D. Clean out. The answer is A. Trap. What is that fitting so installed in plumbing system to prevent passage of air, gas, and some vermin through the pipe? The answer is trap. 191. What is that fitting that operates automatically when refilling the water tank after each discharge and shutting off completely when the tank is already full? A. Float valve. B. Put valve. C. Pressure regulating valve. D. Check valve. The answer is A. Float valve. What is that fitting that operates automatically when refilling the water tank after each discharge and shutting off completely when the tank is already full? Answer is float valve. Hindi puro A yung sagot, no? Hindi ko sila sadya yan. Ano lang, nagkataon lang na. In-code ko, yung kopyahan ko, yung reference ko, may mga siguro nag-skip lang. May mga ini-skipan ako kasi parehas na yun. Nakita ko na dati. Nandito na dati yun sa reviewer, kaya hindi ko na nilalagay. So, pag skip siguro, nagkataon lang yan. 180-92. An oil tank is 3 meter long, 3 meter wide, and 2 meter high. When it's full of coconut oil, specific gravity of 0.9, find the downward force at the bottom of the tank. The answer is B, 16,200 kilogram. No? Hindi ko nasabi choices. Yan. An oil tank is 3 meter long, 3 meter wide, and 2 meter high. When it's full of coconut oil, specific gravity of 0.9. Find the downward force at the bottom of the tank. Yeah, the answer is 60,200. Yung solution, ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section. Sorry, hindi ko na ilagay. 193, a swimming pool is 6 meter wide by 12 meter long. If is 1.2 meter deep in one end and 2.4 meter at the other end, how many gallon of water does it contain? A, 34,140. B, 34,240. C, 34,240 gallons. D, 34,250 gallons. The answer is D, 34,250 gallons. So, formula dyan is, hindi ko na ilagay, trapezoid na. Volume of trapezoid times, kung i-convert natin yung meters to gallons, no? Cubic meters to gallons. So, makukuha natin to. No? Lalagay na lang ulit yung solution sa comment section para so kung may nakapanood na nito, pakilagay na lang din. Pero ilalagay ko na lang din yung solution. 194, a rectangular ground reservoir is to be constructed to serve the water supply requirement for a commercial building. The outside dimension of the reservoir is 8 meter long, 6 meter wide, and 8 meter deep. Compute for the total cost of excavation if the cost of labor is 550 per cubic meter. A, 1,920. B, 19,200. C, 18,200. D, 1,820. The answer is 19,200. So, paano nakuha yan? Dali lang naman. Multiply natin 8 times 6 times 8 times 50. Yun. 8 times 6 meter. 8 meter long times 6 meter wide times 8 meter deep times 50 per cubic meter. The answer is 19,200. 95, plumber is used to use a deep well as a source of water to supply for the building under construction, and you want to estimate the length of intake pipe. So from the surface of the ground, he dropped a coin into the well. After 2 seconds, he heard splashing sound down under the deep. Down under, how deep is the well? May computation na naman to. A, 32.2 feet, B, 64 feet, C, 22.2 feet, D, 33 feet. The answer is C, 22.2 feet. A plumber is to use a deep well as a source of water to supply for building under construction, and he want to estimate the length of intake. So from the surface of the ground, he drop a coin into the well, and after 2 seconds, he heard the splashing sound down under. How deep is the well? So, yun. Assignment ulit. Ayan, computation. The answer is 22.2, no? Acceleration due to gravity times, yan, no? 196. Secondary pipeline in sewerage. Common sewer to which no other sewer is tributary is called A, interceptor, B, lateral, C, dead end, D, branch. The answer is lateral. Secondary pipeline in sewerage. Common sewer to which no other sewer is tributary is called B, lateral. 197, that pipe which conveys wastewater and water carried waste without fecal matter. A, waste pipe, B, wet stand pipe, C, wet vent pipe, D, wet vent. The answer is A, waste pipe. The pipe which conveys wastewater and water waste without fecal matter is waste pipe. 198, a bacteria living or active in the absence of free oxygen is called A, aerobic bacteria, B, anaerobic, C, facultative aerobic, D, all of the above. The answer is aerobic. Aerobic is a bacteria living or active in the absence of free oxygen. The answer is aerobic. 199, a vent which also serves as a drain is called A, wet vent, B, local vent, C, loop vent, D, back vent. The answer is A, wet vent. Wet vent is a vent which also serves as a drain. The answer is wet vent. And the last question in this refresher course session, a method of installation not allowed in a lateral to avoid pressure and retardation flow of wastewater causing deposition of solid is A, sharp curve, B, elbow, C, gate valve, D, cross section. The answer is sharp curve. Method of installation not allowed in lateral to avoid pressure and retardation of flow of wastewater causing deposition of solid is called sharp curve. Okay, for pre-master plumber licensure exam reviewer, please do the following. No? Subscribe to this channel, like the FB account, no? FB account, Brice EC, and follow the FB page, Brice Academy. Nandiyan po yung link sa description. Visit the website, ayan, brice.webtools.site, and email description to brice.academy.consultancy@gmail.com. So, pag na-email nyo po yan, isa-send ko yung link ng reviewer. Okay? For inquiries, comments, and suggestion, yan. You can comment in this video o saan video po kayong may gustong mag-comment. Or yan, email, brice.academy.consultancy@gmail.com, or contact me on 0932-800-1219. Okay, that's the end of the review session, and good luck sa mag-exam. Hopefully, makapasa po kayo, makatulong ang review na to. Good luck and have a nice day. See you in other pressure course. Thank you very much.